Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a new knife for 2023. This is the Benchmade Bailout in Crater Blue aluminum, and the part number is 537FE-02. Inspired by and built for tactical situations, the Bailout is an ultralight but strong knife. This makes a great tool to have in the safety services industry. It has a diamond texture and anodized 6061-T1 aluminum handle, again in Crater Blue. It includes a CPM-M4 steel Tanto blade, and that's in flat dark earth. Really cool looking. It measures 3.38 inches long. The closed length is 4.69 inches long, and the total overall length is 8 inches, 0.09. So these cost $270 with free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, because that is free and easy to do, and it helps us out a lot. If you subscribe, you get to be alerted to new items coming the rest of 2023. And then the SHOT Show is just in January of 2024, right around the corner, when a lot of new products will be released. Look out for discount codes, specials, and how-to videos. Thank you for watching.